It's their first time flying on an airplane. How do you feel?
That sucks. You can't fit under there?
So we just got here at the Remington Hotel. Our flight for Boracay leaves tomorrow morning like at 8? No, 10 o'clock. So we gotta wake up by 7. What's up, guys? So today is the day that we're gonna go to Boracay. We're finishing packing. Bill over there. Say what's up, Bill.
Yo.
Yo. You went to the casino last night.
Yup.
And we are on the 10th floor of the Remington. We got the view of the other rooms. So we are about to board the plane to Boracay. I'm over here with Tyrone and Phoebe. This is their first time flying on an airplane. How do you feel?
Excited.
Excited?
I'm so excited.
Are you nervous? A little bit? Kunti lang?
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What up? What up?
Hey, Bigas. Crap.
That was a fun plane ride, but now we're on a boat. Say hi.
Sea, air, and land.
The newlyweds.
Sea, air, and land.
we were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so every night I dream it. I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you need me.
This was very unexpected. I wasn't expecting to be on a boat ride. I mean, I live in San Diego, but I don't normally go on boat rides unless it's for a fancy event. But this is normal here. It's their mode of transportation to go from island to island. And I'm thinking to myself like, man, this is dope.
We'll be right back.
Alright, so we just arrived in a room and I'm tired.